Hello everyone. In this lecture, we will learn about how to use the mouse button 3 inside CATIA window. Mouse button 3 is nothing but a right click button on the computer mouse hardware. This mouse button 3 is used for displaying contextual menu available for the selected tool or element. For example, I have a pre-opened CATIA part file. If we click mouse button 3 on the part body of the specification tree, CATIA displays available options for the selected element at our disposal. For example, center graph, reframe on, hide and show, and a lot more options are available. If we click mouse button 3 on the toolbars area, CATIA displays options to customize the toolbars. Similarly, we can invoke available options for the features of the 3D model using mouse button 3.